Have you ever wondered what opportunities you might be missing out on right now? In this eye-opening video, we'll reveal 15 crucial chances that are slipping away as we speak. From career shifts to life-changing experiences, these opportunities might shock you with their urgency. If you don't watch this video, you could miss out on your last shot at transforming your life. We'll even expose a surprising truth about authenticity in the age of AI. Don't let these chances pass you by. Subscribe now to ensure you're always ahead of the curve. 1. The Great Career Shuffle, your last chance to switch fields. The job market is undergoing a seismic shift, with mass layoffs and industry disruptions creating a unique window for career changes. This might be your final opportunity to pivot into a new field before industries consolidate. Consider how former taxi drivers transitioned to become successful Uber or Lyft drivers, seizing the opportunity presented by the ride-sharing revolution. 2. The Fitness Ultimatum, your last shot at peak health. With increasing demands on our time and attention, carving out space for fitness is becoming increasingly challenging. This could be your final chance to prioritize your health before life becomes too hectic. Take inspiration from Chris Pratt, who transformed his physique for his role in Guardians of the Galaxy, seizing his opportunity to get in shape and revitalize his career. 3. The Homeownership Dream, your final opportunity to buy. As housing prices continue to soar, the dream of homeownership is slipping away for many. This might be your last chance to enter the property market before it becomes completely unattainable. Look at how millennials in cities like San Francisco or New York are getting creative with co-living arrangements or moving to more affordable areas to realize their homeownership dreams. 4. The Cozy Life Countdown, your last moments of comfort. The world is becoming increasingly fast-paced and demanding, leaving little room for leisurely pursuits. This could be your final opportunity to enjoy a relaxed lifestyle before the hustle culture becomes inescapable. Consider how some individuals are embracing the FIRE, financial independence, retire early movement to secure their chance at a more laid-back life. 5. The Bucket List. Urgency, your last chance to visit dream destinations. Climate change, over-tourism, and political shifts are rapidly altering many dream destinations. This might be your final opportunity to experience these places as you've always imagined them. Think of how the Great Barrier Reef is changing due to coral bleaching, making now perhaps the last chance to see it in its full glory. 6. The Friendship Revival, your last shot at rekindling old bonds. As life gets busier, maintaining friendships becomes increasingly challenging. This could be your final chance to reconnect with old friends before life's responsibilities make it nearly impossible. Consider how social media platforms like Facebook have facilitated reunions between long-lost friends, sometimes leading to renewed friendships or even business partnerships. 7. The Global Citizen Challenge, your last opportunity to live abroad. With increasing global tensions and tightening immigration policies, living abroad is becoming more complicated. This might be your final chance to experience life in a different culture before it becomes too difficult. Look at how digital nomads seized the opportunity to work from exotic locations during the pandemic, potentially setting a precedent for future work arrangements. 8. The Passion Project Countdown, your last moment to start that dream. As life's responsibilities accumulate, finding time for personal projects becomes increasingly challenging. This could be your final opportunity to start that passion project you've been dreaming about. Take inspiration from Julia Child, who began her culinary career in her 50s, proving it's never too late to pursue your passions. 9. The all-in moment, your last chance to make a big bet. With increasing economic uncertainty, taking big risks becomes more daunting. This might be your final opportunity to go all in on a major life or career change. Consider how Elon Musk invested his entire fortune into SpaceX and Tesla, risking it all for his vision of the future. 10. The Soul-Nourishing Quest, your last shot at personal fulfillment. As societal pressures mount, finding time for personally meaningful activities becomes more challenging. This could be your final chance to engage in soul-nourishing pursuits before life's demands overwhelm you. Think of how Michelle Obama took up gardening at the White House, inspiring a national conversation about healthy eating and personal fulfillment. 11. The Skill Acquisition Sprint, your last opportunity to learn a hard skill. In an increasingly automated world, Possessing hard skills becomes crucial for job security. This might be your final chance to acquire a valuable skill before it becomes too late. Look at how many professionals are learning coding or data analysis to remain competitive in their fields. 12. The Great Reassessment, your last moment for a big break. As life accelerates, opportunities for self-reflection become rare. This could be your final chance to take a significant break and reassess your life's direction. Consider how Elizabeth Gilbert's year-long sabbatical led to her best-selling memoir, Eat, Pray, Love, and a complete life transformation. 13. The North Star Search, your last shot at finding your purpose. In a world of constant distraction, identifying a guiding purpose becomes increasingly challenging. This might be your final opportunity to discover your North Star before life's chaos drowns out your inner voice. Think of how Malala Yousafzai found her purpose in advocating for girls' education, turning personal tragedy into a global mission. 14. The Authenticity Revolution, your last chance to be uniquely you. In an era of AI-generated content and social media conformity, authentic self-expression becomes increasingly valuable. This could be your final opportunity to embrace and showcase your true self before societal pressures force you into a mold. Look at how Lady Gaga's unapologetic self-expression catapulted her to stardom and inspired millions to embrace their uniqueness. 15. The Experimentation Window, your last moment to try new things. As responsibilities accumulate, the freedom to experiment with different lifestyles diminishes. This might be your final chance to explore various ways of living and working before settling into a more fixed routine. Consider how some individuals are experimenting with alternative lifestyles like tiny house living or off-grid communities while they still have the flexibility to do so. If you're intrigued by these last chance opportunities and want to seize them before they slip away, your journey is just beginning. Our previous videos delve deeper into strategies for maximizing these chances and creating a life of freedom and fulfillment. But be warned, the path to seizing these opportunities is filled with surprising twists and unexpected challenges that may test your resolve. To continue your journey towards a life of no regrets and endless possibilities, click the link in the description below. Your future self will thank you for taking this crucial step towards making the most of every opportunity life offers.